家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。
就是我问哦
Hey
你出去了的时间都用板去
哦，怎么去？是不是？我通常都还是开自己的车啊。
嘿哦
对，虽然很喜欢开车，但是也很容易迷路啊。
哦
我想路是长在嘴巴上，
嘴巴
要直接去问，会比较快一点。
好
Okay, so let's teach you some phrases about like how to get to somewhere, and maybe you want to ask directions. Okay, 比如说，请问新竹新埔怎么去 ？How do you get to 新竹新埔？
请问新竹新埔
请问新竹新埔
用板去
用板去。And then you need directions because you're very close. Like you want to know how to get to the 花莲 train station. 到花莲火车站怎么走？
都法脸复查头
都法脸复查条
用板行
用板行。哦，这有点不一样啊。用板行不是用板梯哦。
用板去就是怎么去、
how to get there, and then 用板行
是怎么走
direction. So there's a slight difference in that. Okay, so there you go. Another useful round of Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
什么太嘎
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.